let people know that I'm not wearing the same shirt over and over every day. So today I wanted to talk a bit about a weird hobby I have with domain names and what I plan on doing with some of them. So it all started with my very first domain acquisition, which is kathylee.com. And then not long after that, I was also able to buy kathy.lee. And then it all went downhill from there. Some of you know that I have a company named Beautiful. So naturally I bought beautiful.com, and then as if it's not enough, I also bought beautiful.world. Just to show you a couple more on the list. I'm not gonna go through all of them. There's kathy.live for my blog. It's just a place for me to write down my raw thoughts and things like that without having to worry about attracting clicks and stuff. There's also buildbuilds.com. Listenable.com is the main official website for one of my software inventions, a tool for people to scan labels and listen to them out loud. It's great for people who happen to be visually impaired or blind, or just generally people who have a hard time reading tiny labels. And then there's a whole bunch that I already sunset, which means I didn't renew them when they expired. So most recently I acquired build.university. I wanted to build this into a content site hosting tutorials and other tech related tips. Currently I already run a tutorial blog on Medium. One of my most popular tutorials so far is a blog that teaches people how to link your domain name with your Gmail or a Google account for free. So I'll definitely copy this onto the new site as well once it's all set up. And I'll definitely share more progress on how this new site is being built and coming along. Oh, and I also own SiliconValleyTimes.com. SiliconValleyTimes.com. It's a premium name for sure. I just don't know what exactly to do with it yet. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know and I'll consider them. Okay, let's open up some packages. So my package time is a little bit different from most other YouTubers in that these packages are not sent by any supporters or sponsors. These are all things I bought for myself. Next up, I'm gonna do this one. Oh! Okay, this is cool. Perfect. Pretty much the same as the one I'm wearing. I just wanted to show you this, just so you know that just to let people know that I'm not wearing the same shirt over and over every day. Got extras to change into. This is the, oh, it's my new iPhone case. It's also got my cat robot logo on it. I'm gonna try this out. It's somewhere between a hard and a soft case. It's a little bendy but not too soft. Here. I'm going to change it to this right away. The one I'm using doesn't have anything on it, and it's also pretty soft. Old one, snap on the new one. Pretty cool. And by the way, Face ID doesn't work when you're wearing a mask. So I'll enter my passcode. Cool. I do quite like the quality of how the logo is printed on it as well. Same with this one right here. The last package, I think I have a pretty good idea what this is gonna be. Clean up a little bit. Alright, last one. Wow. So, well, the mug, the coffee mug itself is pretty nice, but the logo didn't turn out the way I thought it would. The color is a little bit off. But it's okay. I'll still use it. Alright. Okay, so that's it for today's package time. Last but not least, I'm going to buy a new domain, which is biotob.org, biotob.org. I'll talk more about what it stands for and what I plan on doing with it in future episodes. So stay tuned, and until next time.
See you next time. Wow.